Hi boys and girls, welcome to math for Wednesday, November 11th. All right, today here's our question of the day. It is how can you say numbers 1 to 10? So we are going to count to 10. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, our question of the day is how can you show and count 10 objects? All right, what numbers do you say when you count to 9? So let's say them. Ready? We're going to count to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, how do you show 9 on a 10 frame? So now we're going to show 9 on our 10 frame. So remember, when we do a 10 frame, we have to fill the top first before we fill the bottom. All right, is that closer for you? All right, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. Good job. Compare to another number that we know. What other numbers do we know? If we compare it, let's compare it to 7. So we know this is 9. I'm going to move my 10 frame. We're going to do like this. Okay? So now we're going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we had a 10 frame, I'm just going to draw one here really quick. Alright, so now we have a 10 frame. How are they different? How many more are there in 9 than there is in 10? There are 2 more in 10. In 9, not 10, than there is in 7. Right. Now I want you to hold up 9 fingers. Hold up 9 fingers. 9 fingers. All right. Now, let's hold up one more finger. How many is that? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, what number comes after 9? If we had 9, what number comes next? 10. What number is one more? One more than 9. 10. Yes, 10 comes after 9 in the counting order, and so 10 is one more than 9. All right, now these worksheets are going to be on Seesaw, but I'm going to do them here with you. All right, here, we're going to do this page right here. All right, so it says, all right, so Peter has a 10 frame and he puts counters on every single space. So we're going to put counters on every space in his 10 frame. So let's put a circle in every space. Oh, all right, so every space has a thing. How many counters did he use? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counters. All right, so he used 10 counters in his thing. Good job. All right, now we're going to move on to this page right here. Remember, these are on Seesaw. All right, so we're going to look at number 1, the apple. All right, it says place a counter on each balloon, which we don't have to do, but maybe I will put that on Seesaw. So we're going to place a counter on each one. So each counter, every counter you put on, you're going to take it and you're going to move it down to there. Make sure you trace your number 10. All right, next one, again on Seesaw. So here you're going to have counters to do it. Number 10, and to figure out ways to make 10. I'm going to give you 10 of each color. And then I want you to figure out, but only can fill this in. So you can put some yellow, some red, and then fill it out and then write the numbers of each one. So make sure they're all different. So if I was going to do this, I'm going to grab some colored pencils. All right, so let's just say I wanted to do, I'm only going to do one because that's all I have time for. So let's say I was going to do 1, 2, 3 red, and then I'm going to do the rest yellow. All right, so here I have 3 red and the rest yellow. So how many red did I do? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3 right there. Now let's count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will put a 7 right here. And then I want you to make sure you do a different one for each one. All right. Our next page is right here. All right, it says, Michael puts a star set of 10 stickers. Circle all the sets of stars with stickers that belong to Michael. So we are going to do the stickers. We have to count the stars. So you count each one that has 10. I'll do the first one, right? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to circle that. Now I want you to count the rest and circle the ones that are 10. Now for number 5, you are going to draw and show what you know about the number 10. So I want you to draw 10 objects. That's all you have to do. And we have these pages. It's the same as this page here. So just do the same thing. All right. Now for here, it says for number 1, apple. It says, trace the number of how many counters would take place in the 10 frame. Model a way to do it. So right now we only have 6 counters in there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to count how many more counters does it need? It needs 4 more counters. So we need to make sure we put 4 more counters in there and trace your 10. Right here, I want you to count. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And write our 5 right there. Now down below, number 2. And it says, it draws a counter that has the same as the kites. So you're going to do counters the same as the kites. So make sure they each have a counter, and that is 5. And then I want you to count how many goats? 1. So you just write a 1. All right, good job. All right, I'm also going to put our introduction video and then our math on the spot video as well. So go ahead, you can watch those, and I will see you then. All right, have a good day.